Hey yo, what's up, my amazing friends? Welcome back to the channel. If you want to sound like a true TikTok pro in 2025, you gotta learn these 6 slang words that everyone is using right now. This is not your boring English class. This is the real talk, the Gen Z style, the vibe. So, get ready to laugh, learn, and maybe act a little Delulu with me. Let's get started. Okay, first word on the list is Delulu. This one is gold. Imagine someone who's living in a dream bubble, thinking things will happen that probably never will. It's short for delusional, but sounds way cooler. Where did it come from? TikTokers started using it because a lot of people act like their dreams are reality. Like, someone thinks they'll marry a celebrity tomorrow or become rich without working. That's Delulu. Example story. So my friend Sarah told me she's going to be the next big star on TikTok. She hasn't even posted a video yet. I was like, girl, you're Delulu. But honestly, being Delulu isn't always bad. Sometimes dreaming big helps you work harder. But don't get too Delulu, or you'll fall flat. How to say it? Use it like this, when someone has unrealistic hopes, or is acting a bit crazy. Dude, you think you'll win the lottery? That's Delulu. Stop being Delulu and focus on your work. Alright, second word, Rizz. If you have Rizz, you are the king or queen of charm. You know how to flirt, how to make someone smile or laugh, and basically, you're smooth like butter. It comes from the word charisma, but shortened and made cooler by Gen Z. Everyone wants to have Rizz because who doesn't want to be charming? Example. Last week, I saw a guy say one funny thing to a girl, and she smiled immediately. I told my friends, that guy has serious Rizz. You can say, I'm feeling confident today. I got Rizz. Or, if you fail, man, no Rizz today. She didn't even look at me. Fun roleplay. You, hey, do you have any plans tonight? Friend, no. You, cool, let's hang out. You've got Rizz for sure. Friend, ha ha ha, thanks. Now, listen carefully to this one. No cap. It means I'm not lying, I'm serious, or for real. It's a way to emphasize that what you're saying is true. How to use when you want to prove you're honest. That movie was amazing. No cap. Or if you want to say you're really good at something, I finished my homework early today. No cap. Funny story. One time, I told my mom I cleaned my room. She didn't believe me. I said, no cap, Mom. It's super clean. She checked. And, yep, no cap. My room was clean for once. More examples. Those sneakers are fire. No cap. I'm telling you, no cap. This is the best burger in town. Okay, this one is super fun and creative. It's giving. It means something is showing a certain energy, vibe, or style. You use it to describe how something feels. Examples, her new hairstyle. It's giving queen vibes. Your smile today. It's giving sunshine. The party last night. It was giving movie scene. Play with it. You can say anything after it's giving, like it's giving rich and famous. It's giving tired and hungry. How to use it in real life. When you see something cool, weird, or funny, try saying, wow, it's giving serious boss energy. My coffee this morning, it's giving lifesaver. Number 5, she ate. This means someone did an amazing job. They nailed it, killed it, crushed it. It's a way to say, wow, she was perfect. Examples. She walked into the room like a superstar. She ate. She gave a speech and everyone was clapping. She ate so hard. People say it like when someone eats all the food perfectly, with no crumbs left. So, it means they gave 100%, no mistakes. Use it when someone does something impressive or looks stunning. Your dance? She ate. She finished the exam first. She ate. Last but not least, sus. This is short for suspicious. You use it when someone's behavior is strange or you don't trust what they say. Examples: he said he was at home, but I saw him at the mall. That's sus. She's acting sus lately. Maybe she's hiding something. How to spot sus. If someone gives weird answers, changes the topic fast, or seems nervous, say, "That's sus. Let's practice together." Okay, now that you know all these words, let's practice. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat it after me. Ready? That idea is totally Delulu. I got serious, Rizz, today. No cap, this is the best pizza. It's giving summer vibes. She ate the performance. That's so sus, bro. Good job. You're sounding like a real TikTok star. Use these words in your everyday chats and comments. Don't worry if you sound a bit silly. It's all fun. Thanks for watching my deep dive into TikTok slang. If you liked this long version, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and comment below with your favorite slang word. Want me to explain more words next time? Just say the word. Stay cool, don't be Delulu, and keep your Rizz strong. Peace out.